Oh, hi. Come on in. Welcome to Ritz Carlton Langkawi's twin bed deluxe room. So let's check it out. First things first, when you walk in, you just feel very, very refreshed. You know, this painting says something. But you can put all your belongings right here and then walk right into the room. So when you come in, this is where you put all your luggages. You have your hangers and whatnot. It's an open concept. It's a smaller wardrobe compared to the beach villa. Now, of course, this is slightly smaller as well. It's about 1,000 square feet as opposed to 3,300 square feet. But still, very, very adequate. I mean, you have a place for you to sit here and do your work, whatever you need, while you're facing that view right there. That, my friends, is the sea view. Okay, but we're going to talk about that in a bit, right? Over here, you have basically the same amenities as what you have in the beach villa. You have an espresso machine, you have a kettle, water, all your TWG teas, which is always appreciated. You have a fridge here with all the wines, everything the same. One full-length mirror, which is something I did not see in the beach villa, interestingly. This part here is exactly the same. I would say you have a his and hers sink, so nobody have to quarrel about, you know, I want to brush my teeth first. So that's good. Amenity-wise, it's all the same. The presentation is a bit different. This comes in the form of a box. Actually, I like this. But in the beach villa, it's more of a pouch. You have a bathtub here, but it's slightly smaller and a slightly different design compared to what we have in the beach villa. But still good, still good. Now, what I think is possibly better than the beach villa, this rain shower. I mean, just looks impressive, right? I really think it looks really impressive. And again, the shower, the shampoo, the conditioner, everything is the same. No difference here. One thing though, privacy may be a problem because the toilet is just right here. Now, if you're doing your business, this may be a bit of a problem if you have, you know, too much curry. All right, moving on to the bedroom. As I said before, this is a twin bed, so you get two beds here. Again, everything is pretty much similar to the beach villa. You also get the wellness kit, which we have over there as well. And then over here is the living room. Again, slightly smaller. TV is slightly smaller, but adequate. Two sitting areas. Just love how they have the teapot here. This is really good. And a very nice couch. Again, I don't think you can beat the beach villa, but good enough for me. Now, let's check out the view. So, over here, you have two seats for you to just chill, and then you also have a bed over there that you can just lie down, read a book, have some tea, have a glass of whiskey, whatever, and then just enjoy this beach view. I mean, it's slightly obstructed, but it's still really good. So if you're ever thinking about coming to the Ritz Carlton in Langkawi and you don't know where to stay, my take is, if you can afford it, definitely beach villa, private pool, right? But if not, this is actually really, really good, and it could be one of the best properties on the island itself. So, as I said before, this room is not the most private when it comes to its bathroom. As you can see, just right here, you have the rain shower and the toilet. It's just so open, right? And you basically have this thing that's all open. So people might think that, you know, it's not the most private shower or bathroom, but there's actually something you can do. So, for example, you can close this. You can also close this. And that gives you a full-size mirror, which is pretty clever, I think. Last but not least, you can close this as well. With everywhere closed, basically, this is now a private bathroom. I think this works. So that's pretty much on the Ritz Carlton Langkawi and its beachfront, beach views, deluxe room. I'm not gonna go into all the details regarding the common area, the dinner, the welcome, the lobby, etc. For that, you can actually check out my other video, which I'm just gonna link up right here, and you can check that out. Until next time, folks, remember to subscribe, like this video, and wait for more content next week. Until next time, guys.